Hello, I'm Aras from aras.me. Welcome to this tutorial on the Faker library in Python. If you ever needed to generate fake data for testing or demo purposes, Faker is a fantastic library for that. We'll cover how to install Faker, generate fake data, and customize it to suit your needs. Okay. Yes, very good. Okay. I'd like to faker. Yes, very good. CD faker. Very good. Virtual env. 3env. Okay. I'd like virtual environments. It's so easy to access and easy to work. Virtual environment. Okay. Active my virtual environment. Very good. Now, let's start by installing Faker. Open your terminal or command prompt and type pip install Faker. Very good. Okay. Once it's installed, you'd read to use this library. Okay. I'd use Python in command prompt. First, I import Faker in my script from Faker import Faker. Very good. That's right. Yes. Then create a Faker object to being generating fake data. Very good. Faker. Yes, now I create an object of the Faker. Okay. Using the Faker object, you can access various methods to generate fake data, like names, address, email, and more. Okay. Print, for example, fake.name. Call the name function to create a fake name. Very good. It's a fake name. Again, another name. Again, another. Okay, you can generate a random address. It's so fantastic. For example, fake.address. Wow. So interesting. Prints, you can generate a random email address. Email. Wow. And you can also generate phone number, job titles, a city. Very good. It's cities. So interesting for me. City. Oh, latitude of the city. It's so fantastic. Latitude and longitude. For example, print. Okay. It's better than, for example, latitude. Example, latitude. Okay. Fake dot latitude Very good. Wow, what's that? Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. Sorry, sorry. Mm, wow. Mm, okay, very good. Oh, latitude. And the longitude. Oh, latitude is latitude. Very good. So random, create a random latitude and city, city name, and address, and email, and so on. And uh, it's very wonderful um, for a person to uh, create, generate, populate entries of fake data. You use a loop and generate thousands of entries in second. And you can generate custom providers. It's a built-in ones don't meet you need. Use You can use Faker in many scenarios. Test database and generate mock APIs, filling forms during demos, and it save time and ensure realistic looking test data. Very good. I'm Aras from aras.me. This video just for you. Okay, bye bye.